Good evening from a beautiful evening in London. Welcome to English School Online. In this video, I'm going to give you one simple exercise to learn the B sound in English. It's a series of words that all begin with B, put together to help you to learn the B sound for English pronunciation in context with other sounds and words. I'll give it to you once at normal speed now, then I'm going to slow it right down, and then I'm going to speed it right up. Okay? If you can see behind me, England about to play Belgium in the World Cup. It's absolutely heaving on the streets in London tonight. It's a great evening to be out. I'm really hoping for England. Come on, boys. Let's crack on with the lesson. So, here we go. Repeat after me. British Barry bought a box of British Bulldogs. Okay? One more time. Then we're going to slow it down. British Barry bought a box of British Bulldogs. Now, slowly. British Barry bought a box of British Bulldogs. If you want a special sound tutorial for the B sound to make sure you're saying it correctly, then click at the top of this video. I'm going to put a link to a video that will actually teach you how to make the B sound properly. In this one, I just want to give you the exercise. Again, British Barry bought a box of British Bulldogs. British Barry bought a box of British Bulldogs. Now a bit faster. British Barry bought a box of British Bulldogs. 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 Okay, there you have it. Repeat this exercise for 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes at lunchtime, and 5 minutes in the evening. Tomorrow you're going to have another exercise, so do this one for today. Click, as I said, at the top of the video for a specific sound tutorial explaining how you make the B sound with a British accent and with English pronunciation. And click on this video here for yesterday's quick and easy sound pronunciation tutorial to help you speak better English, clearer English, and learn the British accent. Subscribe for more videos that are coming out like this on a daily basis now. Thumbs up if you've liked it, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Click here now.